Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I've got some interesting things here to talk about while I'm out here in the wonderful wild nature at a campground camping here on July 30th. So, you want to know what it is before we go to the intro? All right. This is what I hope to be my new sleeping pad. I've not even opened it yet. This is my current sleeping pad. This is my current pillow. Look at the massive size difference. All right, I've not even opened this yet other than the package it came in. I got this from Delta Hiking. Full disclosure, they sent it to me for free for the sole purpose of trying out for a review. How awesome is that? I've been seeing their ads on Facebook. If you're anything like me and you like the camping, whether you're hiking or motorcycling, size matters. I will get back to you later in this video after I get home when I actually weigh everything, and I'll tell you what the difference is. This is my camping pillow. This is a sleeping pad. This is just a generic sleeping pad that I bought off Amazon. It's been treating me well. Look at that size difference. And weight, I can't wait to actually weigh it and show you, but this isn't a comparison. Let's open this up and check it out. If I can figure out how. They tied it in a knot. And if you can hear the other campers over there, sorry, they're quite loud. So, well, obviously there's the valve. Okay, that's just that. Let me tell you, compared to the other one, it's extremely thin, so I hope it will hold up. I mean, you watch their videos online and it sure looks like an awesome product, that's for sure. I don't know if you could see that before, but they call this hit or hike. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna fill this thing. So there's fill, and it's similar, I do believe, to the other one, maybe. It should open up. Holy crap. I tell you what, oh, the drain valve is on there. All right, I might want a little bit more, but feels pretty good so far. I'll come back when I'm actually laying on it, tell you what I think the first impressions of laying on it feels. All right, once you lay on it, I don't feel the ground, but sitting up on it, I felt the ground getting in, but I even do with the other sleeping pad to some degree. Maybe I'll have to try adding just a little bit more pressure. I don't know. We'll see. That's what this whole trip's about, is getting a good review video for this pad. Not sure if the pillow's gonna work or not, but that's okay. I can still use the other one if I have to. But I don't know. I mean, I'm more of a side sleeper. And even like this, I don't feel the ground right now, so that's kind of cool. Man, I really hope I like this sleeping pad because this thing is so small and so light. I really hope it can replace the other one because it is so big and so heavy. As a matter of fact, I wish I'd have kept the paper, but inside the instructions that no one ever reads, it gives you the dimensions and the weight of this as well as how thick it is. It was 40 something or other. And anyway, all right, I'll come back when I got something else to say. Maybe it'll be morning when I come back. Okay, welcome to my scientific, unscientific test. This is just my kitchen scale. It is not calibrated, so take everything with a grain of salt, but it should be a fair enough comparison. Here is the new hit or hike. According to my scale, it is 1.168 pounds. And my current sleeping pad, drum roll please, 3.298 pounds. So more than 2 pound savings. That's incredible. Now, I do not like the pillow enough on the new pad to go without, but if I did, the way I carry that particular pillow, it's almost a pound at 0.935 pounds. No matter what, I'm saving about 2 pounds of weight. That's incredible. All right, let's go over a few of the specs per their sheet. You can see where it says it's 74.8 by 22.8 as far as the dimensions go, or 190 by 58 centimeters. The folded size is 9 inches by 7 inches by 1, and their weight is 18 ounces, to where that's exactly what I got on my scale if you just don't count the decimal. And it says it's made out of 40D nylon, which I don't know the first thing about what that means. And if you scroll down to the bottom here, they claim it will hold up to 450 pounds without any problem. I don't weigh anywhere near that. I'm about, I'd say about 175. All right, sorry for the crow in the background, but I'm at home right now. I thought I'd do a few more tests. According to those instruction sheets, they say you can blow this up in about 5 to 10 breaths. That's going to be highly subjective because, face it, all of our lungs are different sizes, breathing capacity, but let's just see if I can hyperventilate doing this. Okay. All right. Who needs drugs when you can get a cheap high like that? I am at 10 breaths now. I don't feel it's where I need it to be as far as stiffness goes. We'll put a couple more in, but it's getting there. Okay, at the end of 11, I'm really struggling to get more air in, but I know at the campsite I had more in than that. At the campsite, I had it about as stiff as I could just with lung power. I don't know what kind of pounds per square inch or bar, however you like to measure, would be. I don't see anything on their website either. It just says, warning, don't overinflate, obviously, but my humble opinion as a non-scientific guy that does maintenance for a living, I don't think you can hurt it with just lung power, but that's my opinion. Take it for what it's worth. That's 12. I don't think I'm going to get any more in, realistically speaking. So there you have it, 12 breaths. It's really firm, and I was finally able to pop the de-inflate valve, and I'll show you that later. But let me tell you, when I did that at the campsite, it was almost instantaneous, back to nothing. I mean, crazy fast. All right, I thought inside the tent would be a great place to finish this review. I got 2 more breaths in it after my last little segment. I've got it as firm as I possibly can with my lung power. And sitting here like this, I can just barely feel the ground. Now, if I get up on my knees, obviously it goes straight to the ground, but my other sleeping pad, which is more than twice this thickness, had the same issue. I don't think that's a problem because, you know, we buy this to sleep on more than anything. So if you want something that's going to be 100% isolate you from the ground if you're kneeling or just sitting, you're going to want to add something to this. It won't do that, but if you're just laying on it, even like this, I don't feel the ground at all. I'm completely isolated. I didn't see anything on their website or in the instructions to give me an R value of this. I don't know what it is. I'm more of a fair weather camper, so it's not that big a deal to me. But I do have a 5-degree sleeping bag that I use all year long. If it's just too hot, I just sleep on top of it. So that adds some R value and comfort. But laying on your side, laying on your back, you don't feel the ground. So I have found my new sleeping pad. It is awesome. Big thumbs up. Full disclosure, what is today? Today is August 1st, 2021. It is on sale on their website for, I believe it's $54.95. I will pin a link to this in the first comment of this video. And again, Delta Hiking did not tell me what to say. All they required for me is a review of the product, which that's awesome because they want to know. That's why they're willing to take a chance on what I had to say. I appreciate that, Delta Hiking. Thank you very much. Can I think of anything else? There's multiple colors. You can see that on their website. I don't have them all memorized, but I just chose green because it kind of matches my tent. And I don't know, it's not a loud color. It's just my personal preference, that's all. Hope you got something out of this. If you would, give me a thumbs up on this video. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below. And hey, wait, strike that. I'm not done with this video just yet. If you remember at the campsite, I had a heck of a time getting this open. And let me tell you, once it's sealed, it's sealed. It ain't gonna leak. I'm still struggling. It seals that good, but there it goes. As you can see, it's instantly deflated. There's almost nothing left in here. I mean, snap of the fingers, this thing's deflated. Basically, to pack it up, and I'm not gonna bore you with that, according to their instructions, you just fold it in thirds, roll it up, and you're done. I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you're looking for a great, lightweight sleeping pad that won't break the bank by all, go to Delta Hiking's website. Buy this pad. They also have a full-size version, so if you're a couple, and you can get that too. And I'm seriously thinking about buying that for the wife and I. This has been an awesome experience. Thank you. I appreciate it greatly. We'll see you in the next video.